5 ways to turn your videos into an ATM machine. Number 1, you have to create curiosity within your first 10 seconds. That's when people decide whether they want to keep watching you or not. For example, let's say you sell a weight loss shake. Your first seconds could look something like this. This green drink helped me lose 32 pounds in 3 months. And the best part, I dropped 3 dress sizes and now I look sexier in my jeans. You see how I never mentioned the product name? I just showed the actual product in action and talked about the benefits, weight loss and looking sexier. This is what you call a pre-frame, and it helps you create curiosity so people would want to learn more about your green drink. Number 2, your video needs to be educational, entertaining, or both. And the best way to do this is by using stories, humor, and even showing your personality. For example, let's say you're in the credit repair niche. Your video could look something like this. 14 years ago, I was broke, in debt, and living in a tight 2-bedroom apartment in the Bronx and couldn't get good credit to save my life. Then I stumbled upon this weird little credit system that changed everything for me. Now I live in this beautiful 5-bedroom house and drive the car of my dreams, a Tesla Model X. You see how I used the story to capture attention, and then I talked about how the credit system changed everything for me? This helps you build rapport and trust with your viewers so that they're more likely to buy from you. Number 3, you want to make an irresistible offer that your viewers can't refuse. For example, let's say you sell a coaching program that helps people get leads and sales for Facebook ads. Your offer could look something like this. For a limited time, I'm giving away my Done For You Facebook ads template that generated me over $30,000 in sales in 30 days. You see how I'm giving away something of value for free? The reason why this is important is because the more people you get to take action, the more exposure you're going to get to your main offer and the more money you're going to make. Number 4, you have to have posture and confidence in your video. You want to come across as a leader and an expert in your field so that people will trust you and will be most likely to buy from you. For example, if you were selling a weight loss membership site, your posture and confidence could look something like this. I'm not some fly-by-night guru who's just trying to make a quick buck. I've helped over 1,000 women lose weight and keep it off for good. I know what it takes to lose weight, and I can help you too. You see how I'm positioning myself as the expert and the authority in the weight loss niche? This is going to help you increase conversions because people are most likely to buy from someone that they perceive as an expert. But what if you're not an expert and you're just starting out? You can still come across as confident by using this one little trick. Be relatable. Here's what that would look like. I'm just like you. I was in your shoes before and I know how it feels. But what separates me from everyone else is that I took action on my weight loss goals and now I'm helping other women do the same. See how simple that was? Number 5, you have to have a call to action. Your call to action is what tells people what to do next, whether that's to buy your product, sign up for your email newsletter, or just to learn more about what you do. For example, let's say you sell a course on how to make money as an affiliate marketer. Your call to action could look something like this. If you want to learn how to make $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing, then click the link below and I'll show you how. You see how I'm telling people what to do next? Click the link below. And I'm also giving them a reason to do it. Make $10,000 per month. So to recap, number 1, create curiosity in your first 10 seconds. Number 2, create educational and entertaining videos. Number 3, make an irresistible offer that your viewers can't refuse. Number 4, have posture and show confidence. And number 5, give a strong call to action. If you love this training, then you're going to love my all-inclusive community for digital marketers who want to create content, collect leads, and convert leads into sales using social media while building multiple income streams with mini courses, membership sites, and coaching programs. Click the link below to get started.